Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Josy. If you are new here, you are welcome. Thanks for being part of my friend. Today is Tuesday, it's Transfer Tuesday. It means we're going to update my debt. So if you are new here, keep watching. Hi, hello once more. So today we're going to look at my debt again. It's my student loan. I was done with school in 2016 and I've been paying down, but I still have about 56,000, and this year my goal is to pay down 20,000. That's the only debt that we have as a family, and we can't wait to be debt free. Everybody's kind of getting excited. We get a momentum, and we don't go down a lot. Last year, the way I wanted it to go, it didn't go like that. This year, I'm buckling up. My husband is buckling up. The kids are buckling up. We're going to make sure we hit our goal, which is the 20,000 and also even more. So watch out for that. So today, let's go ahead and update the debt with you guys. But before I do that, I have a code. If you are an OG, thank you so much for coming back to watch me. I appreciate you. But for those of you who don't know, I like reading quotes on my video a lot. At times I'll read Bible verses. At times I'll read it a general quote. So today, the one I got from this box, I have a lot of it. I have this one that I got from Audi. And today it say, accept yourself. I like it, but I don't really like it. Accept yourself. That is true, but I wanted to show you guys this. I have this one. It's a beautiful, strong, and kind. I got this one. It has 24 cards. I used it last year. It was like for self-care and confidence, more of that. And today I want to read you guys this one from the box. It's time to believe in you. It's time. It's really time. I want you to think about the code right now. Let it sink in your brain while you are watching me. It's time to believe in you. So let's go ahead, put it on the side, and let's do the update for today. I hope everybody is doing very well. I am okay. Let me just put it that way. I am okay. So today, let's start with this. I'll go ahead and put it on it so that I can write very well. So, and I went ahead and bought a pen. This one you can raise it when you make a mistake. I went ahead and got it. So for this week, we are in the second week in January. So we're still going to do our starting balance. This one was 2022, I mean. Was 93,000, you see? So far I'm loving this pen. 93,609.63. And our starting balance for 2024 was 57,421.10. Then my starting balance for this week now is 56,921.10. So my weekly payment I'm doing my fixed payment that I do every week, no matter what, is $20. Today I'm putting extra payment, which is $100. So total for this week that we are putting towards the debt is $120. So what will be my balance? Will be 56,921 10 cents minus 120. So let's see how much we have. So I have my calculator here. So 56921.10 minus 120. So we have 56. $56,801.10. So that's how much is left. Now let's do the percentage. So percentage to debt free will be this divided by 56801 divided by 93609 times 100 minus 100. So we have 39.32%. No, percentage. That's why I'm liking this pen. Usable one. Okay, so that's all we have for this week. And I know last week we were at 39, so we already shaded the box. It's moving gradually. I can't wait to get to the 50% mark, which will be great. I'm hoping to get there as soon as possible. So this is what we have for today. We are down to $56,801.10. That's how much we are moving forward for next week. Super excited. But try and remember that it's time to believe in you. Thanks for watching me today. I appreciate everybody. I will see you in my video for tomorrow. Bye.